Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on Suno app. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we go to Suno app and you will go here to this page. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.